Okay, today we're going to continue with accounting. As I told you, today is the last class of the year, and we finish and continue with indicators, all right? So when we talk about indicators, we talk about what? What we talk about when talking about indicators? Maybe about numbers, maybe about products, maybe about, okay, I have a message in the chat. Percentage, very good. Very good. We talk about percentage, Rebecca. When we talk about indicators, we talk about percentage or numbers or figures. Remember that, all right? So today we have the second part and we have some reading here. If you have your booklet with you, it will be a good opportunity to have it on your desk. Anyway, if you don't have it, I'm going to send this information so you can keep it too. All right. So we have like a lot of formulas or explanations. Let's read, all right? Let's read. Adriana, please help us with number 1.
My share advanced in active trading. Shares in... I continue.
Yes, please. Equal shares.
Shares in BT increase in value.
Thank you. Anthony, number 2, please.
Trade surplus jumps to record level. The value of export over import has gone up quickly.
Okay. Thank you, Anthony. Belkis, number 3, please.
Petrol price set to skyrocket. Well, petrol prices are going to rise by a lot.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Daniela, number 4, please.
Unemployment leaps to 10-year high, equal the number of people without work has gone up quickly.
Thank you. Domenica, number 5, please.
Yahoo serves as internet explosion continues. Equal share in Yahoo have increased greatly in value.
And finally, the last one, let me see. Kerly, number 6, please.
BW profit as a car sales continue to surge. Equal profit in BW have increased thanks to rapidly rising car sales.
Okay, thank you very much. Guys, as you can see here in this slide, on the right, here and here, we have the explanation of this headline. It's a way to explain what numbers go up, or as it says here, going up. You use a number of verbs to describe amounts or figures going up. Okay, so what are the key words in this text? Who can recognize them? They're kind of obvious. Advance, very good. So you probably saw my face. Or not, it's okay. Other keyword. Jumps, exactly. You see how many words you have to say go up? Next.
Skyrocket.
Skyrocket, like very fast, right? It's other verb. Next. Lips. Oopsie. Okay, lips. Next. Source. And the last keyword?
Search.
Exactly, search. Very good pronunciation, by the way. All right. So this is some vocabulary that you can use in different ways to explain when figures or numbers or percentage go up. So you use more vocabulary: advance, jump, skyrocket, leaps, soars, or soars when something grows in general, not only up, but up and wide, surge, etc. Questions about this? Any question, guys? All right, we can continue. Now, expressions to explain going down. Let's read these expressions. Gabby, please help us with number 1.
1,000 jobs except as defense plant closes. Equal, a defense company has told 1,000 factory employees that they are to lose their jobs.
Okay, honey, thank you very much. Romina, number 8.
Europa's central bank fuel rate in Supremo, and the ECB has reduced interest rates.
Thank you, that was really good. Mariuxi, 9, please.
Megacorp is on profits warning equal. Megacorp's share price has gone down slightly after they say that profits would be lower than expected.
Excellent, thank you very much. Rebecca, number 10, please.
September retail sales plummet equals sales in shops have fallen a lot in September.
Thank you. Did everybody read? Yes, or who hasn't read yet? All right, I think everybody read. Let's start again. Adriana, number 11, please.
Government slashed income tax to 10%. The government has reduced income tax by a large amount.
Thank you. And Anthony, we finish with you this page, number 12.
Euro devised to new lows equal to euro currency have fallen to its lowest value ever.
Thank you. All right, so Melanie, you read the next slide. I have 4 slides. This is number 2, so I have a lot to read. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, right, so the opposite in this case is that expressions to say go down. So what are the keywords? Recognize them. The keywords. I start. Yeah, that's right. Exit. Next, what else?
Goods.
Very good. Cuts. 9. Oopsie. Next.
Easy.
Easy. You know, when you say take it easy, it's like take it slow or calm down. When you say take it easy, it's another way to say calm down. So ease is a way to say down. All right, next.
Plummet.
Plummet. And about plummet, I want you to go to the right and read this. A lot. It's not only going down, but it's only going down a lot. Plummet. Probably sounds a little bit similar in Spanish. What other keyword we have?
Slashes.
Slashes. And finally? Dives. Have you ever heard when people go diving and they wear special clothes and oxygen and then they go into the ocean and they say, oh, I'm doing scuba diving? Yes. Scuba diving, because dive means to go down. All right. So again, we know already more expressions to talk about going down. So next time you want to be more sophisticated, you can use any of these words instead of going down. Or probably someone else is using different word to explain something going down, you will understand very well. All of these words mean pretty much the same. Do you have any question about this? No questions? Everything's good? I'm a perfect teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Es que no me acuerdo que era share price.
The price of a share. And you know English, honey, English.
Oh, okay.
This is going to be in my site. All right. Okay, guys. So share price. When you have a company, you can divide the company into shares. So little pieces of the company, like papers. When you have a share, it means that you have a part of the company. So a share price is the price of one share. All right, did I answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's continue. Melanie, help us reading this, please. Pigs and trucks.
Pigs and trucks. If a figure rises to a level and then shop rising, remain at the level it leveled off and remains stable. If a figure reaches its highest level, a peak, and then goes down, it peaks at that level. If it reaches its lowest level, a throw, and then bottoms out, it falls to that level and then start rising again.
Okay, so these are, thank you very much, Melanie. So these are opposite words, pigs and trucks, right? When you reach the uppest point, it's a pig. When you reach the lowest point, it's a truck. And I'm going to come into this picture. Tell me something, guys. Let's watch the red line. The red line. Everybody can see the red line, right? Or arrow, the red arrow, right? Yes?
Yes.
What is this here? Let me use, this is a pig or this is a truck?
True.
Remember they are, let me go, oh, oopsie. Let me go here, oops. A figure reaches highest level at a peak, lowest level at truth, highest level, lowest level. Okay, I think you can see my camera, right? So I'm coming back. This one here, it's a peak or it's a truth?
Peak.
And this one here?
True.
Exactly, you're right. What about this?
True.
Truth, and this one?
Pigs.
Pig, you're right. So that's basically the explanation of pigs and trucks. Any question about this? Okay, we have an expression here that says level off. I'm going to highlight this. Level off, which is basically when it remains steady or stable. So they are horizontal. It keeps the same. No change there. All right, guys, and finally we have boom and bust. Boom and bust. Aha. When you have a new product in the market, it's a boom. Let's read this. So let's see. Belkis, can you please help us with the first line?
Demand is the amount of goods and service that people want in a particular period.
Thank you very much. So that is demand. Daniela, next line, please.
A boom is when there is rising demand and other indicators are strong.
Thank you, Daniela. Domenica, next line, please.
Stagnation is when the company is growing slowly or not at all.
Uh-huh. Thank you. Kerly, please.
Stagflation is when slow growth inconvenient with prices that are increasing fast.
Thank you very much. And Mariuxi, please, until here.
Recession is a period when there is negative growth, a period when the economy is producing less.
Thank you, Mariuxi. And Rebecca, please.
A slump is a very bad recession. A depression is a very bad slump.
Thank you very much, guys. Okay, so basically this is how a product moves when it gets into the market, right? You have demand. Demand is when people ask for a product. They ask for a product, they want it. So when everybody wants something like the new cell phone, the new car, the new, I don't know, shoes, style, clothes, whatever, any product, when people want it, they demand the product. So in that case, the sales increase. A boom, you know, when something is really like popular, it's a boom. A stagnation, okay, so economy is not growing. It's like in the same place or growing so slowly that it's almost not moving at all. And then we have stagflation. Okay, is when a slow growth is combined with high prices. So prices are going up so fast because of inflation that you can't sell more and you just don't sell or not, you don't sell too much. It's what happened when inflation grows. You probably remember that from last class. Okay, so these are really sad situations like recession. Stagflation is bad, but it's not as bad as recession. Recession is really bad, a period when there is negative growth. Negative growth means going down or exit down. Okay, when it goes down, when eases. A period when the economy is producing less. People don't have opportunities to produce and they start losing money. What is worse than a recession? A slump. Slump is worse than a recession. And a depression is like a very bad slump. So that's the worst situation ever, a depression. So because of pandemic, now in 2020, where do you think we were? In which situation we were during the pandemic, at least between March and May, March and July? Which situation do you think the whole world, no, not the whole world, that's too much, Ecuador, according to this analysis, Ecuador was in demand, was a boom, a stagnation, a stagflation, recession, a slump or depression?
Slump.
Recession.
Let me read the chat. Okay.
Stagnation.
You're right. We were in a recession. We were in a recession. According to this analysis, I'm glad that I didn't have to say it. I'm very happy that you did a whole analysis. We were in a recession. It means people couldn't work, people couldn't sell anything. So businesses starts breaking down, was very bad for economy in the whole country and obviously for families, for you, for me, for everybody. The whole country was growing in a negative way, going down. And right now, December 2020, where do you think we are? Right now, December 2020. Think about the news, about your parents' conversations.
Stagnation.
We're probably between stagnation and stagflation, right? Why? Because economy is growing slowly or not at all. Yes, we're growing like slowly, really, really slow, but at least we're not in recession anymore. Or probably stagflation because some people increases prices a lot. So it's hard to grow, right? Okay, I like that you could do that analysis. Now you can talk with adults about this. Honey, tell me.
Yes, a boom. An example of a boom can be the sales of computers or devices.
You're right. You're right. Thank you for that example. Because that last year probably we didn't need much. We didn't want that much, but this year it was a boom because everybody needs laptops, cell phones, tablets, like you, like me. Actually, the computer I'm using right now is new. I bought it for my classes. So there was a high demand, an extremely high demand of technological products, of these devices. So that was like a boom. Everybody wanted, everybody needed, and they got whoever who sells or create these kind of products makes really good businesses on these products. That was an excellent example, Rebecca. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, questions, ideas, comments, gossips.
Miss, but for example, how can we call like a long period of all of these things? Like for example, we still have a demand, which is I don't know how to say mask. I think it is the mask, the alcohol, and all those things. But it's really a long period, like all the year. So, what is the name of that?
Demand.
Demand. Okay.
Yeah, there is still a high demand of those products. Not as much as in the beginning, thank God, but still they are in demand. They're not a boom anymore, but they are in demand. What is not in demand, probably it's public places to have fun, probably the cinema theater. That is not in demand so far. Or places to gather with friends, because we cannot be physically too many people together, right? So that was a good question, Daniela. Thank you. Guys, more questions? Yes, no? Well, I don't think I'm going to have more accounting classes, and Christmas is pretty soon, so I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank God for everything. The fact that you are right now here in this class means that you have a place, you have a family, you have health, so be thankful. The class is not over yet, so don't leave. Okay, this is just thank you because we finished with the explanation. Right now we're going to work something online. This is going to be class participation. It's to get a grade also about what we just studied. So I'm going to share the link right now. We have only 5 minutes until we finish Zoom, but let's work as much as we can on these 5 minutes. You can finish after Zoom. You got it? Yep. Okay, I'm going to share the link and let's work.